his name? Welcome to Patrick Swayze's warehouse!
Andrew, he didn't want any of this.
Yeah, because he's dead!
God bless his soul.
God bless his soul. Yep.
God bless his soul.
Here we go.
Andrew, have you ever felt really stressed?
Not at all!
Me too! I'm glad we feel the same way. Haven't you always just wanted to get rid of your stress? Call your mom, call your parents, call your mom.
No, not at all!
Well, why do I have a deal for you? We are giving away a once-in-a-lifetime offer.
Look at those.
Look at these motivational DVDs.
Beautiful.
Box sets.
Beautiful.
Featuring motivational speaker Patrick Swayze.
Patrick Swayze!
But wait, there's